Take the coordinates of the bank 9, 5 as x1, y1 and that of the hospital as x2, y2. Substitute into the distance formula and simplify. Use prime factorization for 180 to simplify further. The required distance is 6 root 5 units. Use the coordinates of the bank and supermarket as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Substitute into the midpoint formula. The coordinates of the post office, that's the midpoint, is 7, 0. As before, take the coordinates of the hospital and supermarket as x1, y1, x2, y2. Solve for the midpoint D using midpoint formula. The coordinates of the bus stop, that's the midpoint, is 1, -3. Use this to find the distance from the bank to the bus stop. As before, take the coordinates as x1, y1 and x2, y2 and apply distance formula. Use prime factorization for 120 to simplify further. So the person has to travel 8 root 2 units. Since B, P, Q, A are in a straight line, BP equal to PQ means P is the midpoint of BQ. So we apply midpoint formula to find the midpoint of BQ and compare that with the coordinate for P that is given, that is 1, A. Compare x coordinates separately, y coordinates separately, solve to find B and A. So we get B equal to 5 and A equal to 1.